Good evening. Today's announcement here in downtown Seattle extends a trend when it comes to public safety. Seattle City Attorney Ann Davison blames the past for the present.
There's been a long amount of time, on an average 334 days, before a response from this office was given to that action, that criminal activity. And that, to me, is how we have gotten to where we are, where public safety has eroded and people don't feel safe walking down the street.
That's why today, citing this independent report by former U.S. Attorney Brian Moran, she announced a plan to cut a 5,000 case backlog. It involves a hiring spree in the criminal case division and prioritizing prosecution of cases involving crimes against people like domestic violence and assault, weapons crimes, DUIs, and people with multiple pending charges. But it also means throwing out or declining to prosecute nearly 2,000 other cases, like those involving property destruction, theft, or trespassing.
In order to bring back real-time accountability in our criminal justice system in the city of Seattle, we have to close that time cap.
So what about the accountability for people who've lost things, had things stolen, had their property destroyed? What about the accountability?
It is with heavy heart, as I said, to do this decision today, but it must be done in order to improve public safety going forward.
Davison says she believes the emphasis will cut down on the backlog by 300 cases a month.
The way forward is to close the time gap from when a crime is committed to when our response is made for that crime, and that is the way we improve public safety.
Davison throwing around a lot of numbers, but says she believes with the math that she's laying out and the staffing projections that this backlog could be eliminated by the end of the year. That's the story here in downtown Seattle. I'm Chris Daniels, King 5 News.